Hey guys, it's Anna, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single stag jump. So let's get started.
It was something in the air. It was something in the air.
Before attempting a single stag jump, you should always stretch out your legs. I recommend at least doing some lunges and the splits, or you could also follow along to one of my leg stretching routines, and I'll leave a few of those linked down in the description. Next, practice doing some backwards kicks, and you can even start by doing these on your knees since the front leg is going to be bent anyways. The main point of doing these is to practice kicking up your leg as high as you can, like you want to do in the jump. After you've practiced doing the kicks on your knees, you can try doing them in a standing position, both with your bottom leg straight and it bent. The next step is to practice the preparation into the jump. To do this, start standing with the front leg of the jump out in front of you, then step into fifth position and plie to prepare for the jump. Now do that same prep except add a backwards kick after the plie. This is essentially the same thing that you'll be doing in the jump except leaving your bottom leg on the ground. Next, lift up the front leg as well to do a small jump. This jump isn't necessarily meant to look the best, it's just to help you get used to jumping into the bent and straight leg position. Next, do almost the same thing except lifting up your back leg as high as you can and slightly arching back to do a full single stag jump. And that's it for this tutorial, so I hope it helps you get your single stag jump. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can click here to watch my most recent video. To subscribe to my channel, just click here and don't forget to press on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!